Morning, Eleanor, how are you? I think you've got the hiccups. See? How's Mum?
Mum's good, thank you very much.
Yeah.
She's fairly well rested this morning, which is great news.
Yeah. Yes, you're 11 days old today, Eleanor. And today is a momentous occasion in your little life. Today is your first Fulham game. No, going to the Fulham game, of course, but we might listen to it on the radio or we'll see it on TV. There's some way we'll celebrate today. Hello, Eleanor. This is Eleanor playing on her exercise rug. Alexandra makes it.
Yep, it's super cool.
Here's Eleanor, relaxing in the lounge after a hard day's babying. Yep, I think as you can see, we've worked out how to wiggle all four limbs at the same time even. That's pretty cool. You can't eat your blanket. No, you can't. Right. Well, you just saw Barack Obama get inaugurated. How do you feel about that? How does Mum feel about that?
Oh, it was great. It was really very interesting thing to watch.
Yeah.
She slept through the whole of it.
But you were there, sort of. Well,
yeah.
You were alive at the time anyway.
In body, at least.
Yeah. You're in the same room as the TV set showing the inauguration. That's a huge thing, really.